Horse is running. Alright. Off to a good start. Off to a good start. Wow, did you see how that bird just went in and then all the other ones just followed it? It's pretty epic, yo. That white walrus is a pervert trying to get some action off that dead walrus on the ground over there. Jesus, who does he think he is? Alright, back to the flock of birds that we saw earlier. The epic swooping. Not doing too much, but the both of them are rejecting a makeout session with each other, so I don't really get how that's very beneficial to both of them, but you know, it's their choice. It's their choice. Alright, now we've got the most amazing little bugger creature that you've ever seen in your whole life, just nibbling on some grass or branch or whatever the hell it is. But he's a little monster. Just nibbling there. Don't care if anybody's watching me, you know. Whatever. Whatever. This, I kind of don't get, but it's a koala yawning. Like, why would I want to see that? A koala yawning. Like, I can go look at myself in the mirror and watch myself yawn if I wanted to. And then our video comes to an end with our epic swooping birds just kind of doing nothing. Kind of disappointed. You know, I was hoping for like a tiger chase or something, or like something better, you know, whatever. I'm just kind of disappointed at the moment. Alright, so for all you people who just watched my video, my first video ever on this channel, I would like it a lot if you rated it, commented on it, and then subscribed, because that kinda is the point in what I'm trying to get across here. So if you'd please, pretty please, just subscribe. Like, just go wherever the subscribe button is on my channel and just subscribe. Click there, anywhere. Alright, just please subscribe. Thanks.